Once upon a time in a faraway land, high up in the mountains, lived an eagle. This eagle was huge, with feathers as white as snow and an impressive wingspan that allowed him to soar through the skies with ease. It was a colorful kite, being blown around by the wind. The eagle had never seen anything like it before. It looked like a giant bird, yet it wasn't moving its wings. Curious, the eagle decided to investigate. He was the king of all the birds in the mountains. The eagle swooped down and asked the boy, "Why are you flying a dead bird?" But then suddenly the string in his beak snapped, and the kite fell from the sky like a wounded bird. The eagle panicked. He had never seen a kite fall like this before, and he didn't know what to do. They would often meet at the hilltop to fly kites together. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun kid stories. The eagle loved learning about the world outside of the mountains, and the children loved hearing about the eagle's adventures in the sky. They were an unlikely group of friends, but they learned a lot from each other and had a lot of fun together. They had all met up at the hilltop to fly their kites in the strong mountain winds. He explained to the eagle that sometimes the kites fall, but they can't hurt themselves because they're not alive. Relieved that the kite wasn't hurt, the eagle landed next to the boy and watched as the other children played with their kites. Eagle was fascinated by the idea of these colorful, lightweight objects being able to fly so effortlessly. The boy looked up and said, "This is not a dead bird. It's a kite. It's not alive, but it can fly." When the eagle grabbed the string in his sharp beak and tried to pull it taut, the kite started to rise into the air. The eagle was so excited. He had never experienced anything like this before. The eagle was confused. He had never heard of a kite before. One day, the eagle was flying above the mountains when he saw something strange in the sky. As he got closer to the kite, he noticed a young boy holding onto its string. The boy explained how he had made the kite with his friends using colorful cloth and a wooden stick. He asked if he could try to fly the kite himself, and the boy agreed. As the kite ascended higher and higher, the eagle let out a loud cry of joy. But then the boy shouted, "Don't worry, Mr. Eagle. It's okay." From that day on, the eagle became friends with the boy and the other children. And that's the end of today's story. Do you have a favorite part? Share it with us in the comments below.